Hello everyone, so this is another video that we wanted to showcase one of the latest product releases, which is the Blackbox Mac application. And we'll get the chance to go in details for each of these integration, but we built integration directly with Xcode, with the terminal, and with VSCode. We'll get the chance to go directly and showcase how each of these integration would work, whether you use Xcode or VS Code, and we're bringing it to more IDEs. Not only you have these integrations for while you're coding, but also it has real-time web search. For example, here I'm interested in asking it, what is the price per token for DeepSeek? And it will search the web and it will generate the answer and give you the sources. So as you can see, the pricing for DeepSeek varies depending, and here you have the V2 and the V3 pricing, and here you have the sources. So all these web sources, and you get the chance to download it. We're releasing major updates. As mentioned, integration on Xcode, VS Code, your terminal, web search capabilities, and will add the ability to work with more IDEs in the coming days.